It is easier than ever to make money online nowadays. And guess what? You don't have to show your face. From YouTube to Facebook to TikTok to Instagram and to Telegram, all social media pays if you are ready to build on them. How to run a faceless social media account? So, firstly, you have to pick a niche. A niche means creating a content on something valuable, like creating a content on motivation, on trending videos, on educational stuff. After getting the niche you want to focus on, okay, I already talked about niche, and let me give you more example of niche you can focus on. So for things that are trending, a lot of people post funny videos. They post videos about celebrities. As you can see here on my screen, this is a YouTube that is making money. That is making money from posting celebrities video. And this is another YouTube channel that is making money by posting random things. Can you see? That's $4,000 on my screen, right? Like, it's very, very easy to make money online nowadays, provided you can follow what works, find people that are already doing these things and they are making money online to learn from them, or you can learn from YouTube. Anything that suits you and anything that is going to make you money on time. You can start making animation and post. That's another niche you can focus on. You can curate a calming music. All these, there's one channel that one day I was doing research and I saw a channel that posts only on calming music. Yes, music that is going to make you relax, or a meditation music. Those channels, they are making tons of money on YouTube and they are not showing their face at all. Another niche you can focus on is tech review. Yes, you can do review on gadgets, you can do review on books, you can do review on movies. There are a lot of niche you can enter. You can do gossip YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube, you will see different kind of YouTube channel now that is doing lifestyle content on celebrities. They will tell their story, they will tell how far, as those people are dropping content, they are dropping their own content of them too, and they are making their money online from that. Then, okay, we are focusing now on YouTube, so I'm still going to visit other platforms. I don't want these videos to be long at all. So after getting the niche you want to focus on, the next step is to know how to get videos to use, and how to edit them, how to post them, how to do a thumbnail. Your thumbnail is what is going to attract people to your video, and they will see that, oh, let me even watch this, let me check this out to see what this person is saying in this video. So let's talk about easy and in-demand content that will make this social media platform monetize your content or monetize your platform on time. Number one, choose a trending niche. Focus on popular topics like celebrity gossip, motivational video, history, documentaries, especially if you're running a US account. Because mostly, if you ask me, you make money fast on those channels because they are not based in Nigeria. No, I'm not saying that you're not going to make money if you open a Nigeria channel, you're going to make money. But me, I prefer something that will give you money on time. And I'm not saying you're not going to do the work. You are going to do the work. Yes, it's very important. The niche you are entering is something that is in demand, and it's something that is going to get monetized in time. For you to create this kind of content, you need to use stock footage. You can go to FreePic, or if you go to Chrome, you are going to see different kind of stock footage on them, and you will need to use AI as a voiceover. There's no need for you to you can use your voice to record and change it to AI, anything that suits you. And for you to edit those videos, you'll be needing CapCut or InShot. So CapCut now I've made most of their features pro, and already recorded a video on my YouTube channel on how to use the pro version. You can check my channel. You are going to see how to use the pro version for free, how to use the CapCut pro version for free. You can use InShot too. InShot is another editing app you can use And trust me, it is also good like CapCut. For you to get trendy topics to use, you can Instagram is your best friend. All those bloggers, you can follow them in order to get trendy news. Then Google Trend too is also there. You can go to Google Trend to do research on what is trending. Maybe you opened a UK account, or US. If you want to focus on anything that is trending, make sure that Google or Instagram is your friend. Follow all their bloggers, or you should follow the celebrity itself in order to have up-to-date content from them. Let's focus on TikTok. To make money on TikTok is very, very easy. Yes. Okay, for there's a testimony of somebody that did 1.5 million in a month from TikTok, and she did a faceless account. Can you see it on my screen? Can you see it on my screen? So she did 1.5 million in a month by running a faceless account. You might be thinking it is impossible, but no, you can never know if you don't try. That's it. This is another resource here on my screen. This is a TikTok. This is a UK TikTok account. This person did $151 without leaving his house in Nigeria. There's a lot of money on social media. Like, let's calculate 151 times. Let's say the rate is 17. Yes, rate of dollar. Like, dollar rate is 1,700. Do you know how much that is without leaving your house? Okay. So, in order to start creating content on TikTok, make sure you are giving out value. Solve people's pain points. Yes, if you are solving people's pain points and you are giving them value, they will follow you. They will not only follow you, they will be ready to buy whatever you are offering them. Yes. First of all, solve their problem. They will be the one that will come to you that, oh, what are you doing? Please teach me. Please, how am I going to get this thing to solve my problem? So that's how to create content online. Don't just create content. Make sure your content is giving value. Make sure your content is solving a pain point. And if it's solving a pain point, it's people that are following you that will bring their money to you. Oh, sell this to me. I want to buy this. Oh, this how to Excel templates. I want to buy it. So it's all about strategy. Information is not money. Yes, you use money to make more money. That's it. So for Facebook too now pays. Facebook too now pays everybody that drop videos on their platform. Okay, maybe think I'm capping, but I'm not. See, this is another result from Facebook. This guy said he already did almost $500 on Facebook. That's almost $1 million. Oh my God, he has still sleeping. Picking a niche. Yes, picking a niche is very, very important, because you can't just say you want to start creating content without knowing what to create content on. So picking a niche is very important. Use niche related hashtags. So once you started posting video on what you want to post, make sure that you are using a hashtag that is related to the niche you are creating video on. And make sure you focus on reels. Yes, reels, like you have to focus on videos. Normally, if you want to make money online, videos is one of the things that would 10x whatever you are doing. Maybe you want to make money by selling some things, or you want to go viral, or you want to go popular. You have to post videos, and post at least 2 times daily. Yes, I'm talking about Facebook right now. So make sure you post 2 times daily on Facebook, and even Instagram safe. Provided you've connected your Instagram and Facebook together, it is very easy. So if you are creating content on Facebook, it's going to show on Instagram. If you are creating content on Instagram, it's going to show on Facebook. Lastly, always add call to action to your video on Facebook and Instagram. Something like, oh, if you like this video so much, you can hit the like button, you can follow me, something like that. Just make sure you add a call to action at the end of a video. Another way to make money on Facebook and Instagram is by creating a fan page. Yes, you heard me right. Maybe there's a controversial celebrity online, you can start creating content on those kind of celebrity, and people are going to follow you. So this is a typical example of a celebrity fan page on Instagram. So people will start following you, and from there you can take adverts. Yes, you know, now all these influencer kind of job, you can influence your brand, you can take adverts, promotion, and everything and make extra money from there. You can also start team page. Yes, team page is like a motivational page. Though I've not really seen people doing that in Nigeria, but there are few accounts I followed on my Instagram, and there are people from the United States, and that's what they do. And somebody's team page did over $15,000 on Instagram. I already said it's not a Nigeria account, so it's the US, and the account is doing very very well because running a team page can make you a lot of money online. You know how to go about it. For you to create a fan page, make sure that the celebrity you are going to use is a popular celebrity, and people love that kind of celebrity, and or maybe a controversial one. So whatever that suits you, make sure you do your research very well in order to know what is going to go more viral, that people is going to follow your page very fast and start getting adverts, promotion, influencing jobs, and all other kind of things from brand. Another way to make money online is getting into Web3. I don't know, maybe a lot of you have heard about Web3. Yes, because Web3 pays weekly. It depends on whatever gig you are getting. So they pays weekly, and for the Web3, if you want to get started, you have to be on. So you have to be on X in order to get up-to-date content on what is going on in Web3 and in order to get jobs. You also use Discord to get clients. So if you know people that are already in Web3 or that are in Web3, you can ask them, talk to them, because you can make a lot of money from that also. So I don't want to show you a result. I don't want to show you a result at all. Just do your research and you'll find this strategy that will make you to be successful online. Number one, focus on high quality content. Don't just create content for creating sake, because if your content is not valuable, nobody's going to follow you and you're not going to make money. Yes, simple. Number two, develop a consistent brand. What I mean by developing a consistent brand is, number one, make sure that you have a brand color for your YouTube, all your videos. Make sure that your visuals and everything is mind-blowing. Design a consistent intro and outro for your videos. Have a brand color for your channel. Don't just use blue today, you use red. You can have 3 colors for your brand. Make sure you optimize your social media platform for your search. Make sure you are using hashtag the right way. Everything that will make your platform to be easily seen by the right people. Research is very 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 important when creating content. Not just create content online. Make sure you do research on what is going to make your YouTube easily seen by the right set of people. Ensure your thumbnails your video thumbnails are clear and it is going to easily convey the video's main idea. Don't just create anything as a cover for your videos. Even from the cover of the video or the thumbnail of the video, let them be like, wow, it's going to be something superficial. Post regularly. I know that a lot of people might be like, oh, I'm a 9 to 5 kind of person. I have other jobs that I'm doing. But there's a way you post consistently, because maybe somebody, like some people already say, this channel, I can't wait to hear what this channel is going to talk about on this celebrity. So let them know maybe it is Friday, Saturday and Sunday you have time. Make sure they know you for those 3 days for posting of your videos. Another step to follow is engaging with your audience. Make sure whenever your audience drop comments, make sure to reply, because from replying alone, YouTube can suggest your video, or the social media, whatever social media you are using will always suggest your video to other people, because you are always in the comment section replying. It's going to trigger the algorithm of those social media to take your video to different kind of people. I would like to add from what I've seen so far, because things are changing and AI is taking over. You can start a AI channel. There's this YouTube channel that I have seen, and is making like almost $2,000 to $4,000 on YouTube just by using AI to create our videos. So you don't have excuse. Yes, you don't have any excuse not to start at all. Before I end this video, I want to say the YouTube channel that did $1,000 in 1 month. This is it. I posted it again in 1 month, and the account is not a Nigeria account, it is a US account. So this channel followed a strategy, a proven strategy, for he to be able to hit $1,000, 4K subscribers in 1 month. So if you know that you're ready to, I'll be dropping a link below this video that will guide you on how to get started, how to create a US account, how to monetize it, how to create the kind of video that is going to make you money, that will make your channel to get monetized on time. So if you have gotten value so far from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends and family, because they need to see this video. Thank you.